Good morning, my able customer. Happy resumption back to work. I hope you were enjoying this winter season. So today, just want to remind you of our product this 2023. That 2023 will be good. We are ready to serve you better. We have all color of roofing tiles. We have Milano, we have shingle, we have shake, we have Roman, we have bond, we have classic. And we also have a good carpenter that know how to do perfect woodwork for any type of roofing, either aluminium, stone coated, and aluminium parapet. I've advised a lot of people to be using aluminium parapet instead of using normal fascia. If you don't have the money for the casting parapet, you can option to aluminium parapet, which is very beautiful and add lightweight to the house. It adds lightweight to the house. You don't need any iron, you don't need any cement, you don't need any gravel. Just add lightweight to the house. So together with the woodwork and the aluminium parapet, it's still cheaper. It's still more affordable and more cheaper and lesser stress rather than using a normal fascia, aluminium fascia and aluminium ceiling. That's what I've discussed previously. So take advantage. There are some people that build big houses that are not doing parapet. So it's better for you to option to this aluminium parapet. That will make your house to look beautiful, look presentable. Because this fascia, when especially for stone coated, it's not beautiful at all. No matter how you use stone coated, if you didn't do parapet, if you use stone coated, the house will just look like olden days house. That's how it looks. Because that stone coated facial flash sheet is not adding beauty, just blacking the area. Even though you still had aluminium, it's still better. So aluminium we had another color to it, but it's better you go for stone coated you go for aluminium parapet. That one is more easier, the woodwork is more affordable, the roofing, the sheet is not much, so it's something that you can afford, something that is lesser compared to any other design that you want to do. Either you are doing a normal parapet or you are using fascia. So today I want to be discussing about the client are sending to my place. Let's be conscious of those people. If you are sending person to my place, you don't need to feed them badly. You understand? You don't need to feed them with bad negative effects. Like you are feeding them, you saw these guys online. They may be scammer, they may be this, they may be that. It's just like you are telling another scammer. You have a scammer in your site, and you are telling that scammer. Let's say for example, I'm a scammer too. You are not telling a scammer. Not I'm a scammer, I'm not a scammer, but let me say I'm a scammer, but I really exist. I'm selling that thing. But if I have my advantage, I can scam you too. Let's say I'm example, and you are telling another scammer that is in your hand that go and meet this scammer, go and investigate this scammer, so something. So this scammer in your own side will come and collaborate with this scammer that is coming to. So they will now collaborate together and scam you. So that is how it works. That is how it was. But these days, I've been talking about this thing. I'm not ready to scam anybody, and I'm not a scammer. I don't scam anybody. I go play with you. There are two things that make customer to purchase item from you. It's either your measurement is low or your price is low. A lot of people they collect quotation from different companies. They will now sit down and check the one that is more affordable. Let's say even though a company made a mistake, let's say you have collected 5 quotation. Some people give you 500, 500, 500. Another one give you 510. Another one give you 50 something. Another one I give you 450. You will not even think that this person that may give you 450 may made mistake with your own measurement. You just rush and go and get that one because it's lower. That one, the quantity is low, and automatically the price will be low. So you just go and rush and buy that one. Since you have already got some idea, five people can never make mistake. Five people can never make mistake. There will just be little differences But when that difference is too huge, that is a mistake. If that difference is too huge, it's either that one person is inflating the quantity, or there is a mistake somewhere. That is the two things. So two things that make clients to patronize you is, one, when your quantity is low and your price is lower compared to the other quotation he has, so it will buy from you. Some people don't even consider quality again. They just consider the lower cost and go for it. So that is not a problem. It's very good. Everybody does that. It's very good. That is one strategy to catch customer, and that is another deal for you to have a good deal. You go for the one that you know that is more affordable for you. I'm not disputing that. That is clear and perfect for everyone. So now, if you want to send anybody to us, because this experience, what I have gone through is what I want to share now. I want to share it from 3 years till now, so that you may not be thinking I'm talking about your person that you sent to me. I'm talking about 3 years from now. This is a original experience that I've gone through. You see, if some people want to send somebody to us, they already inculcate bad info into that person. And I saw them online. They may be scammer, they may be this, they may be that. So that person will now come now. That person is not even coming to do his work again. He's now coming to siphon you. He's coming to collaborate with the person that you have already told him that is a scammer, so that they will scam you together. It's now coming now to collaborate with this person so that he can get his own money. That's what they do. They are not coming again to count the material. They are not even coming again to know whether you exist or not. They are not coming again to know whether you have that material they want to buy again. And that is why you send them. Because you already deposited bad thing on them. You know, you want to buy something with someone. You know, before you buy something, you need to trust that person. At least, you want to buy something with someone, you still feed the person you want to send. You still fed that person with negative effect. So if that person is coming, that person is now coming with another, because you know that you don't trust the person. It's now coming with another effect to just siphon you too. They will collaborate with the person that is selling. They will now siphon you. Or since this person the person you are sending want to get money from it, this person that is now selling will now do anything he like, because you know that you are the one on ground. Anything because you want to get money. And they really, some people get peanuts. Well, when they get that peanut, they damage a lot of things. So when you want to send somebody, when you want to send people, you just send them on what they want to come and do. Tell them you don't have any deal. Some people, when they call me, they will tell me, you don't have deal with anybody. Just send the quotation to me. But a lot of people, especially the men, a lot of people in abroad, they used to send their people. A lot of people have sent people to me to come and see before they pay, which is good, which is ideal for anybody. If you want to buy any property, you need to see it you need to send a representative to check it. But are those representatives that you are selling now, are they coming for your own influence? Are they coming to support you, or they are coming to get things from you? That is the two things. So the one I have seen that is very good, that are coming to really work for their husband, are the wives. If the husband is in abroad, he want to buy, he send his wife. Those wives, you can't scam your husband. But other people, my brother, if you see. So let me go straight to the point now. There is one client that sent them. I don't want to mention the sites. I don't want to mention the year. I don't want to mention, so that client is not in Nigeria. He sent somebody to come and see me. You know, that person, he has already tell the person he's sending that these people are online. I saw them online. They may be scammer. They may be this. So that person now came with that mindset. So when he came to me, he explained to me, I am the one that is building. I am the one that built the site to this level. So the person has already told me that you may be scammer, you may be this, you may be that. So what I want to do now is that, I am the one on ground. So anything I tell the person is what he will believe. I am the one on ground. So I want to see. You see, that house I was doing then, that house is not up to even 1 million for the roofing. It's stone coated. It's not even up to 1 million. And this person is sent to me, want to see 200,000 in the deal. And me, I don't even know, because the person sent me to go and measure. When I measure, I send the quotation back to the owner straight. I didn't send him through another person. So I sent what I measured to him and what I want to sell. I didn't add anything for the site engineer or anybody. But one person will come now, that person is now telling me. And I told him that, okay, I didn't add anything, but don't worry, I will give you even on a transport money, because a lot of people that come to my place, I do give them money. Nobody has come and go empty-handed. If they buy, I give them something. But you can't be imposing on me that I must give you this. So that one is imposing on me that I must give him 200,000. Even me that I'm selling, how much did I gain from the roof? Before I can gain 100,000, sometimes I will sell like 7 tons, 7 load. Let me see, 7 load of roof. And sometimes before I sell 7 load of roof, it can be like 1 month. It's not every day people buy stone coated. It's not every day. It's not only me that is selling. And somebody wants to see 200,000 in a quantify. An item that you can quantify, item that you can count, item that you can verify. How can I do it? But it's doable, because it's the one on site. The owner is not there. And anything he tells the owner is what he's going to believe. So I told him that I can't do that. I've already sent quotation to the owner, so I can't reverse. He said, no. I am in need of money. I need this money critically. Anyhow you want to do it, even though you want to supply material and tell the person that you have shortage, it's not correct. Anything, all you say. I said, okay, I cannot do it. So when he began to rake, I started recording. I started recording everything he says. Because I thought when we reach the site, it's going to fuck up. So I record everything he said, but automatically he didn't do anything. He didn't fuck up. I didn't give him anything. So those are the things. There's another one again also. The person is not in Nigeria. He called me to his site. He gave me the number of the site, the person in the site. So me, I didn't call the person because I'm not the one going to the site. I want to send my technician. So I gave the number of the guy in the site to my technician. So my technician called him and he directs my technician to the site. And my technician went to the site and took the measurement. So after the measurement was taken, he told my technician that before we send quotation to the brother, we must call him. So my technician told me, I told him, ignore him, Jerry, I know what you want to do. So I prepared the quotation and I sent it to the owner. Actually, the owner have different quotation already. And my own is okay. So he called me that he's going to send his brother down to check, to see, which is good. So when the guy came down, the first thing when he landed in my place, he attacked me. Is that how you guys do business? I told you before, you send quotation to my brother. You must make sure you send it to me first. I'm the one that will give go ahead. Now I'm here now. I am here now. If I tell him that I saw the material I saw on the other side are better than this one, he will believe. And he will believe. That is, he's saying the truth. Because the person on ground, anything he says is what the person that sent him will believe. That is what we have experienced. Especially in aluminium, is what we have experienced very well when we started then. So he started raking, doing this, looking at how you be. Everybody that did business, everybody that came to work in that site used to send me quotation before they send it to my brother. I would tell them what they would do. I was just following him up gradually. Sorry, I don't know. So from that, he now asked me that, what am I going to give him? I told him that, I sent, it's what I measure. Thank God you have different quotations. It's what I measure. I didn't add anything. I didn't inflate anything. And my price was okay. My price is very, very good. And my material is good. I didn't add anything. I don't have anything to give you. But if you buy, I'm going to give you even that transport money. That's what I told him. He said, no. How can I come from far place? You'll not be giving me token. No, I will not agree. So from there, his person called out, why are we supposed to have we're supposed to have loaded material now, something. So automatically he paid. So when he paid, when we started loading, he now called me that I should reduce 10 square meter from the roof. I should give him the money. No. I said, no, it can't happen. So we started raking again, started discussing, telling people around that, is that how we do? We bad because he has paid money now. In fact, he was lamenting with the driver that carried the material up till when they reached the site. He was lamenting, angry. And it's not that I didn't give this guy money. I gave him something. There's another one also that came. That one too, he says his brother. His brother that sent him. When that one came, that one, the brother has already paid. The brother has already sent the money to his own account. He didn't send the money to my account. So when he came, he have to reduce the material himself. And I don't have anything. Okay, pay for what you reduce. So when they took the material to the site now, the material short. When they finish, he has reduced it and he has the money. He paid me the money that he want to buy. And he took the material that day. Because he came that day, he took the material that day. So my guy did the work in the site, the material short. So the owner now called me, started raking. I didn't even talk anything. I just told him, I said, well, that's your brother. That is what your brother bought. So he started raking, and I don't want to, because I've done that thing in the past, that something that want to spoil a family. Somebody that will say you can't keep secrets. Because you didn't come through me directly. Yes, I measured the roof. I gave you the quotation. Why don't you pay into let the person come to my factory and pay into my account directly? But you already sent the money to your brother. He's the one that want to pay me. So it's what he paid me, and I can't tell you what he did. Because he's the one on ground doing everything to you. Is you, according to what you say, is your brother. I said, well, thank God your brother counted everything he took. I'm not the owner. So he started raking. So we don't do perfect. I can a house short for 15 square meter. So something. I did later. They came to buy the additional. So that is where he got his own money from. I don't know. So that is how people do. If you want to buy something, if you are sending somebody, I'm not saying you should not send. Some people will send a lot of. Some people want to buy things. They will send like 10 people to come and check. They will send the engineer, send the brother. This one will come. The one they will take person that want to confirm the material. So when they want to go now, they will now be requesting for money. How much? This one I want to get money. This one you must give us money. You must give us money. 90% of people that come, they want to see money. 90%. They want to see money. Nobody come neutrally. They want to see money. From this small thing, if these people want to scam the owner from items that are countable. You see, if you are not there, let's say person is on site. If you are not there, when we carry material to the site, before we start working, we drop it. The owner will count it. We count everything. That's how people that doesn't come. They have people on the side that will confirm before we start work. Some people don't even confirm. Because we can't scam anybody. Some people don't even confirm in the site because they already confirm before they even come and purchase from you. They've already got like many measurements. They've already compare and see that your own is good. They come to you. They don't even have that time to be comparing in the site. They just believe you that you are going to provide good, you have good material and your service is okay. That's what they believe. So for the quantity, they've already confirmed their own. They've already sent a lot of people to their site already. Not sending one person that will come and be raking in our factory. I don't want all those things this year because I'll be fighting with them this year. I don't want all those things. I'm not saying you should not send anybody. Send people. A lot of people send people to come. You send people, give them positive things. Give them what they want to come and do. Tell them what they want to come and do. Tell them what you want them to do. Not to come to me and want to collaborate with me. We don't do that. We don't do that again. When we started 9 years ago, when we were looking for customer, we used to do that. Person will be in abroad, another one will be in Nigeria, telling you must add this, you must add that. If you didn't add for them, they will not come to your place. because the person, the owner really believe in them. They are the one that is taking charge. If you don't hard for them, they won't buy from you. There are some people, if you still hard, they can't defend it. The owner will still say, it's much. I've collected some quotation that are lower than your own. They won't buy. So that thing is not good. It's not favoring us. It's driving customer away. Hard for me. They can't defend it. So I don't want any third party. Some people, if you are really doing business, you don't want people to scam you, you can send somebody come. When the person comes, send the money to the company account straight. Don't send the money to the third party. Some people now, they'll hoard the money. They will not be negotiating with you. How much will you give me before they transfer the money to your account? Because the owner has already sent money to you. That's how it happens. If you mingle with these people that are selling roof, you see how people do. I told you one that I've experienced. When the woman sent me the house, I told him, this house is not with this. He told me that, no, I just want to buy from you. I have installer already. I have this, I have that. No wala. Shebi, if the installer come, you send money to me. So when the installer came now, I told him, when I see this house, let me go and remeasure this house. I say, no, I'm not using you for installation. I have installer that I've worked for my friend. So this. Do you know how much the that installer saw? That realized in that roofing? Because the person was not around. I've been saying this thing. When it comes to money, everybody eyes is tight. When it comes to money, everybody want to eat from you. So be careful. And when you want to buy something from me, you should have trust on me. You see, I don't delay people material. I don't delay people. A lot of people, when they pay to me, I make sure I deliver the material that day or the second day. Even today, there's one material that I took to Delta State. The driver left yesterday, and even the driver told me that he's going to reach yesterday. We're the one that delayed him that he should reach this morning. He has already delivered that material as at today. That is far place, so Delta State there. So because I know that when some people, when they didn't come, they are furious, they are afraid to pay money. So I can't be. There's some company, a lot of company, they can't even achieve 1 day, 2 day. I know a lot of company, when you pay, you give them time. They deliver for you after 3 days. Me, I've never delayed anybody. Anybody that pay, I deliver the material that day or the second day. No delay, because I don't want you to panic. I know it's not easy. But you too, before you pay money to me, there's something you need to confirm. Confirm you can. If I give you my account number, confirm the account number. Is it real? My account number does not change. Confirm with your bank manager or confirm online. You can get, if account number is a scamming account, you are going to get the confirmation online. Even my YouTube, if I've been on YouTube since 2015. If I'm scamming people will have been reporting this YouTube page, reporting in every platform. YouTube might have fished me out or removed this page. It's not easy to scam person a huge money. It's not easy. So before you send me money, you need to trust on me. This is my thing. Trust. Don't be panicked, because if some people pay like this, the panic they have in their mind. There's one man that paid me in Ibadan. I need to pass. It was before he even pay. But when he now paid, hey, my brother, this man was calling and in Lagos now, when you are driving, if you pick call, last man will arrest you, and if they arrest you, they can seize your car. They will be demanding for 100,000 that I cannot make for 1 month. I will now be giving one person. It's not easy. That's why when the driver reach, before they move, they call you. When they reach, they call you. Where will I come? Don't be panicked. When that man paid me like this, that man was calling every 5 minutes. The driver didn't come in, the driver didn't pick call. I said, leave this man. And his good was, he paid that day, his good was still delivered that day. How many companies can achieve that? You pay that day, your goods deliver that place, and it's not within Lagos. So why are you disturbing yourself? Before you even pay me, have trust on me first. There are a lot of people. In fact, there are some people that are paying me that if I tell them our people are busy now, they don't worry because they know I'm going to do their work. I've seen one person that paid me like 13 million. The man was even panicking. It was the wife that encouraged me. Pay this guy. I know him. And we delivered that material that second day to Benin. Woman, that's why I thank women majorly. They have that powerful heart of believing. They trust when they I don't know if they have researched and such because they are not worrying. People that send people to me. In fact, like just few women that buy something that send people. They don't even send anybody. They don't even know me. Some people don't even communicate. Because after you send a quotation, they don't need any wire. They just send you. They just wire you the money. They just do their work. They just say thank you. That's all. But a men that used to panic. No, not everybody that is scammer. I can't be scamming. I'm not here to scam. I'm here to provide service for people. So, but I don't want to collaborate with anybody that you are sending. So guide your people right. People that want to send to me, I'm not telling you should not send anybody. Send people to me, but guide them very well. They are not there to come and talk nonsense, to come and collaborate with me, to come and tell me to reduce material. I'm not ready to do that. If you want me to deal with third party, some people, if they call me, they will tell me your brother will. I know that I'm dealing with his brother. I'm not dealing with the owner again. I'm dealing with you. So anything your brother wants, we do business with your brother. But I can't be doing business with you directly. Another third party is now entering at the back, now telling me what to do, what to reduce. When material now short in the site, now I'll be facing the headache. Or when after we later discover, I will not be facing the shame. No, I won't do that. So thank you very much for watching this. If you want to buy roof from us, or you want to do woodwork, any woodwork of parapet, woodwork of aluminium parapet, woodwork of aluminium, woodwork of stone coated, we have reliable and perfect carpenter that do that. And we also sell roofing material. So I encourage people that these days price of aluminium is going higher. So and stone coated is more advantageous than aluminium. So option to stone coated. Stone coated make your house more cooler, more beautiful, and more lasting. So option to stone coated is a lot of engineers will be discouraging you that woodwork of a stone coated costs more. Na lie. All the rafter is the same thing. The only thing that is different there is the 2x2 and 2x3. If you are using aluminum, you use 2x3. If you are using stone coated, you use 2x2. And 2x3 is more expensive. You still see that even though you use stone coated woodwork, you are still spending less than aluminium. I do both now. I've compared the both. Even though aluminium stone coated won't be much, it will not be more than 20,000 naira difference. So what are you talking about? Another person will be scaring you that. And how much are they selling aluminium now? Aluminium 0.55, good one. They sell 4,000 naira per meter. And stone coated is lesser than 4,000 naira. Stone coated is lesser than 4,000 naira. If you call me, you have good deal of stone coated. I don't want to say my price there so that other people will be thinking I'm spoiling their business. But if you want to do business with me, WhatsApp me on this number 081 233 98890. 081 233 98890 or 081 6949 8907. 081 6949 8907. These two numbers are hotline. You can call them direct. If I'm not picking, those two numbers are on WhatsApp. Drop a message, drop a voice note. I'm going to reply you. Because most time I'm on site, most time I'm be driving. And in Lagos, you can't be driving and picking call now. They have VIA that scan you. They will just scan your plate number and send a bill to you directly. They don't chase person in Lagos again now. Anything you do, if you are making call, you just see they will scan your plate number and send a bill to you to go and pay. If you didn't pay, they are monitoring your car. Any day they catch your car, you pay a fine or you forfeit your car. So when you are driving in Lagos now, you need to be careful where to park or where to make call or anything. If your licenses are due, you renew it. They don't chase you again. If your license is due, your roadworthiness is due, you didn't renew it, they will just scan your. Anytime you pass through some place, they will just scan your plate number. You just see a bill in your phone that you use to register your plate number. You must pay that bill. So that's why Lagos is very, very tough now. We don't when we are going out. So anytime you call me, I'm not picking. Not that I don't want to pick your call. Please add me up on WhatsApp. Those two numbers on WhatsApp. You can send me a voice note. When I'm ready, I will get back to you. Thank you very much for watching this episode. See you later.